Formation of two-digit numbers without repetition. Let us learn to form two-digit numbers with the given digits. Take two numbers 2 and 6. Using the given numbers, we can form two-digit numbers 26 and 62. The greater number is 62 and the smaller number is 26. Now you fill in this box. 4 and 7 are two numbers. 74 is the greatest number and 47 is the smallest number you can form out of 4 and 7. From 6 and 9, we get the greatest number 96 and the smallest number 69. From 8 and 5, the greatest number is 85 and the smallest number is 58. From 9 and 3, the greatest number is 93 and the smallest number is 39. If 0 is one of the given two digits, how many two-digit numbers can be formed? Form two-digit number using the following digits. Write the greatest and the smallest number. From 4 and 5, we get 54 and 45. From 7 and 9, we get 97 and 79. From 4 and 9, we get 94 and 49. From 2 and 3, we get 32 and 23. From 1 and 8, we get 81 and 18. From 5 and 3, we get 53 and 35. Using the three given numbers 3, 4 and 6, we get 34, 43, 46, 64, 63 and 36. The greatest number is 64 and the smallest number is 34. If one of the digits is 0, we can form only 4 two-digit numbers. For example, using the numbers 3, 0 and 6, we get 30, 36, 63 and 60. The greatest number is 63 and the smallest number is 30. Form 6 two-digit numbers. Circle the smallest number and underline the greatest. Now from 1, 3 and 5, we can get 13, 31, 35, 53, 51 and 15. Here 13 is the smallest number and 53 is the greatest number. From 3, 6 and 7, we get 36, 63, 67, 76, 73 and 37. 36 is the smallest number and 76 is the greatest. From 4, 2 and 0, we get 42, 24, 40 and 20. Here, 20 is the smallest number and 42 is the greatest. From 5, 8 and 2, we get 58, 85, 82, 28, 52 and 25. Here, 25 is the smallest number and 85 is the greatest. From 6, 5 and 1, we get 65, 56, 51, 15, 61 and 16. Here 15 is the smallest number and 65 is the greatest. From 7, 9 and 3, we get 79, 97, 93, 39, 73 and 37. Here, 37 is the smallest and 97 is the greatest. Among the 3 digits, if 2 digits are 0, how many 2-digit numbers can be formed? Formation of 2-digit numbers with repetition. Take 2 numbers, say 3 and 7. If the given numbers are repeated in the ones and tens place, we get 33 and 77. The greater number is 77 and the smaller number is 33. Take another example, 5 and 9. The greater number is 99 and the smaller number is 55. Form the greatest and the smallest number using 8 and 6. The greatest number is 86 and the smallest number is 68. Let us take 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 8. The greatest number is 88 and the smallest number is 44. From 3 and 9, we get 99 as the greatest number and 33 as the smallest number. From 4 and 8, 88 is the greatest number and 44 is the smallest. From 2, 7 and 5, 77 is the greatest number and 22 is the smallest. From 6, 3 and 8, the greatest number is 88, the smallest number is 33. From 1, 7 and 9, 99 is the greatest number and 11 is the smallest. Ordinal and cardinal numbers. Look at these animals. The bear is standing in the first position. The lion is standing second. The zebra is the sixth animal in the line. Its position is sixth. The cat is the 10th animal in the line. Its position is 10th. Here, first, second, third, and so on are ordinal numbers. An ordinal number tells the position of an object or a person in a collection. A cardinal number tells the number of objects or persons in a collection. Read and learn. Cardinal 1. Ordinal first. Cardinal 2. Ordinal second. Cardinal 3. Ordinal third. Cardinal 4. Ordinal fourth. Cardinal 5. Ordinal fifth. Cardinal 6. Ordinal sixth. Cardinal 7. Ordinal seventh. Cardinal 8. Ordinal eighth. Cardinal 9. Ordinal ninth. Cardinal 10. Ordinal tenth. Ordinal and cardinal number of weeks and months. Sunday is the first day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. January is the first month of the year. August is the 8th month of the year. The number of days in a week is 7. The number of months in a year is 12. Who am I? My third letter is D. My first and fourth letters are I. My fifth letter is A. My second and sixth letters are N. I am an Indian.